Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the product service. T-Mobile, found at www.t-mobile.com, is a major player in the United States wireless communications landscape. Their website serves as a central hub for accessing information about their various services, ranging from individual and family mobile plans to business solutions and even home internet options. Navigating the site, you'll encounter sections dedicated to exploring phone deals, including the latest 5G smartphones and other devices. T-Mobile emphasizes its 5G network coverage, often highlighting speed and availability across the country. They also provide resources for existing customers, such as account management tools, billing information, and technical support access. Prospective customers can compare different plans, check network coverage in their area, and initiate the sign-up process directly through the website. The website's design is generally user-friendly, with clear calls to action and prominent placement of key information. Beyond the core services, T-Mobile often features promotions and special offers on the website, incentivizing new customers and rewarding existing ones. They frequently showcase their commitment to customer service, with readily accessible contact information and support channels. The site aims to cater to a diverse audience, from tech-savvy individuals seeking the latest gadgets to families looking for affordable connectivity solutions and businesses in need of robust communication infrastructure. Finally, T-Mobile's website generally stays up to date with the latest news and announcements related to the company and the wider telecommunications industry. They often incorporate blog posts, press releases, and investor information, offering a comprehensive overview of their operations and performance.